Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Birchbox for March 2021. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here, we should have between like 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup products. If you are new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber. So if at any time while I'm filming, I don't know something is cruelty-free, I will research it. You okay? As I was saying, I will research it and display the information right here on the screen for you. I will also figure out the sample size value, the estimated sample size value, to find out if we're getting a good deal or not. As you see, I have dogs. That's Bronx, who's apparently got something to say. He is like the whiniest dog ever. German Shepherds in general are super whiny, so if you've never had one, get ready to hear some whining in my video today. They are chewing on toys, so if you hear random noises, random whining, it's my dogs. They're part of my channel, kind of. I don't know. They hang out in here with me. They're glued to my hip. So anyways, I'll quit rambling. Let's go ahead and open the box. Okay, so when you open the outer carton, this little box is what's inside. I really like these boxes. I do save some of them. They're really cute. And then inside the box has this little card, which is the theme, kind of. It says stuff I actually want to do list, and then it has things you can fill out there. On the back side, it's going to have everything we're getting, as well as their full-size value. So I will mention the full size, but make sure you're looking on the screen if you want to know the sample size. I'll add it up at the end and see if it's worth the money we're paying for the box. Okay. All right, let's just go ahead and pull out the first item. So the first thing I'm pulling out is from Peyote, Paris. This is the Hydra 24 Plus Cream Glacy. I don't know. It looks like it's in different languages there. I'm not sure exactly what this is. I assume it's a moisturizer. So apply morning and evening to face and neck after thorough cleansing. It does not say anything about being cruelty-free, so I'm not sure. I will do the research on that. The full size is $48 for a moisturizer. I'm not sure I would pay that. Personally, I just think you can get pretty good moisturizers for much less than that. But yeah, got a moisturizer. All right, let's pull out the next item. This next thing is from Blonde Me, I think is what it's called. This is a Keratin Restore Bonding Mask. I don't know if you can tell, it's got some reflection on it. I think this is just like a purple mask for, oh, maybe not. Oops. So I thought it was going to be a purple mask, but it's just white. It smells really good. For some reason, it smells like something from my childhood, but I can't put my finger on what it is. So yeah, I thought it would be purple because it says all blondes, but I'm not sure exactly what this is. It's not saying anything about being cruelty-free. It says it's from Schwarzkopf, which I know is like a salon brand, but I'm not sure if they're cruelty-free. So it says, this nourishing mask uses integrated bonding technology to help create new bonds and strengthen hair. Applied to clean, damp hair and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse. So it's just a mask, but I'm not sure why it's blonde. I don't know. If it's cruelty-free, I will give it a try. I do enjoy a mask. Just about once a week I do a hair mask, so I will use that if it's cruelty-free. And the full size is $25. I don't know how good or bad of a price that is, honestly. So it seems a little high. The one I get is from the drugstore. It's like 15 bucks. So, we'll see. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from, I don't know who this is from Alpha Parf. This is the Cristalli Liquidy Smoothing Hair Serum. So it's a lightweight spray that adds shine and smooths all hair types. So I don't know if it's like an oil or what. Let's see. It's not saying anything about being cruelty-free, so I'm not sure if it is. Oh yeah, so it's just a hair oil. I do like that it's a spray. I use a hair oil just about every time I use heat on my hair, just to smooth out any like flyaways and things like that. So if it's cruelty-free, I will use it. This hair oil lasts you so long. This could last me probably a year, honestly. Use so little. So yeah, I hope it's cruelty-free so I can give it a try. The full size is $48. I don't know if I'd pay that. The one I currently am using is one I got from Subscription Box, and I think the full size is like $20 to $30. So I'm not sure if I would pay almost $50 for a hair oil. Okay, moving right along. The next thing I'm pulling out is a mask. This is from Rael Beauty. This is the Hydration, Refresh, and Moisturize Sheet Mask. There is... It doesn't say anything about being cruelty-free, so again, I will have to do some research to see if, you know, what this is all about. But yeah, got a sheet mask. I don't know if I'll even use this. I have so many sheet masks I'm trying to get through. I'll probably just go ahead and pass this on to somebody else. The full size is $16. I assume that includes like 5 sheet masks or something like that, because I would not pay $16 for one. Okay, and we have one last item. This is from Bare Minerals, which is cruelty-free. This is the only thing that I know for sure is cruelty-free in this box. This is the Gen Nude Lip Lacquer. There it is. Let's see. Mine's in the shade Pout. Yeah, I'm not going to use this. So there's the color. It's just a little too purple, I think, for me. It's just not my nude. I know that for a fact. I'm not going to use that. It is a hydrating formula, so it's not drying, so that's good. It's definitely something I would like. Like, I like a cream or satin finish. I'm not into like the matte or like things that make me feel super dry on my lips. The full size is $20 for a liquid lip. I don't know if I mean, I'm not going to say I would never pay that because I have paid that much for lipstick. So maybe, but typically I pay that much for like a tube of lipstick. I don't know. Tell me, is that a good price or not? Oh, Bronx says no. You can get better, he says. Okay, so that's everything we got in this month's Birchbox. I have tried to say that 3 times, and every time I've said Birthbox. Okay, so that's everything we got in this month's Okay, so that's everything we got in this month's I can't say this word. Or like some variation of that. Birchbox. Overall, it's a lot of hair and skin, which isn't my favorite. The one makeup product really wasn't my color. And not my favorite box overall. I do like the hair products that I got. They are things that I hopefully can use if they're cruelty-free. But overall, like, just not the biggest fan of this box. But now I would love to hear from you. What did you think of this box? If you get this box, let me know what you got in your Birchbox. I always like to hear like what everybody else gets in theirs. I believe this box has variations. I could be wrong. Maybe we got the same thing. But yeah, anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this, more unboxings, more dogs, more of me saying Birthbox, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And we'll see you in our next video. Can you say bye? Can you say bye, Jose? It's not food. I know. Oh, she's upset. Okay. Okay. Bye, guys.